Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. Right, so if we go to phone there, you've got setup in the corner. We'll go to setup, select telephone Bluetooth user profile, easy for me to say, Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth. Then Bluetooth, if you can't pair your phone to the system, do the same steps as I've just done. Make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth. There you go. Do you really want to switch off Bluetooth? All current connections will be broken. I don't. So make sure there's a tick there. Then we go here, down here to paired devices. Click paired devices and you'll see here, delete, delete, just go back there. I think I must have pressed the wrong one there. Paired devices, and we'll delete that last one. Delete. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. So Bluetooth's on. Then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. Over to the system. If I click phone, you'll see there's no phones connected to it at the moment. It's already found, my phone has already found the system, and you've got find telephone here. So we'll click on find telephone, searching for devices. There you go. It's found my phone there. If I click on my phone, requesting available profiles. Now I have just deleted this phone from this system, so sometimes that makes it difficult. Hands-free telephone connecting to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does the passkey match this passkey on the phone? Yes, it does. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. There you go, that's the phone showing there. We'll just wait for that to become connected. It usually connects to the phone. There you go, it's connected to the phone, and now it's connected to the system. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. So from any screen, if we go to nav, so you go to nav there. If you watch out at the bottom there, you'll see the actual menu that you need. It's just disappeared. What you have to do, if you put your hand in front of it, then the menu comes up at the bottom. We want new destination, country United Kingdom, city. So if we click city, then at the bottom here you'll see PTCD, the big space bar here, way bigger than you need, but postcode is abbreviated. That's postcode, that's what you need. You click postcode. We want ABC. Our postcode is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers, so we click the numbers there. 5. We need a space, unfortunately. So we'll go back there, click a space, go back to 4, and then back to letters, EA, PR5, 4EA, then that's it, showing you where you're going. Click start.
The routes are being calculated.
So if
Please select a route.
So you've got the different routes there, 21 minutes, I'm assuming that's the fastest, most direct. So just click like so, and then you're away.
Please follow the road for 350 yards.
Route options, fuel options, advanced settings, import destinations, top speeds, we'll go back there. Route, stop route guidance, that's the other thing. Sometimes you can't find it, so you just click on the route, stop route guidance. That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. So what we do, we select music, select a record, click play. I'll just turn that down, but if you can see there the little silver triangle with the 3 silver circles, actually that's playing through my sunglasses at the moment, so I'll just switch them off. So I'll switch them off. It's gone to VW Bluetooth. That means anything that any music that plays on my mobile phone, as long as this is set right, it will play through the speakers. So all we need to do now, go to media there, you'll see that's on auxiliary. So what we have to do there is go to source, click source and then BT audio, and then there you go, Susie Quattro, the boss of Audi, liked that record so much he named a car after her. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.